Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling the Astral Dragon and Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so I just got the Dragon Orb, so we are going to be seeing what the Astral Dragon looks like. I don't really know what it looks like yet, but we can go ahead and battle it. Hopefully we get the boots. I haven't gotten them yet. I will need to read these. The Astral Dragon shields themselves from 0 hits each round. I don't know what that means. Your team is more likely to hit with their spells. Your team's astral spells do less damage, 20%. So that means that we want to use physical spells then, I guess, because yeah, astral is weak to physical. So I will use Bone Pterosaur and Normal Pterosaur. I hope I got that right. Let's see. I mean, the wizard is weak to them, so should the Astral Dragon. But there is the Astral Dragon. I actually think that looks pretty cool. So we should win this, I guess. Okay, yeah, they're weak to physical, so we should be good, besides for the fact that I'm using an Astral Relic. So we are just going to use Crunch. And we're probably going to use Crunch again. I really don't know what the Astral Dragon shields themselves from 0 hits each round. I don't know what that means. Like, is this hit not going to hit or something? I don't know. Okay. That was kind of cool. Like how it did its attack. We have to use an Astral spell now, so it's not going to do anything. Yeah, 173, not great. No shadows may exist in my light. Okay, oh, that is cool. So now we will do Chomp. 445. We should just need to do 2 hits unless this is a critical. So we will do Chomp again. 449. Actually, we're gonna have to do like 2 more hits, because Starbit should not do enough. So let's see if Astral Storm does enough. 80, yeah, it doesn't do enough. But we will definitely do it. You cannot defeat me. If you cannot defeat me, how will you defeat the Puppet Master? I'm literally about to defeat you, bud. So we just need to answer 1 question, and then we should be good. So we'll do Flame Burst, and there we go, 361. Impressive young wizard, but it will take patience and more battles before we are ready to face the coming shadow. Return soon. And then they go away. So hopefully we get the boots. I haven't gotten it. Okay, yeah, we just get 50 gold again. So that's not fun. But I'm interested to see what happens now, because I did just like finish my first, or I did finish like one of the things. So now, yeah, we're on to Rift 8. What are the 2 other ones? I want to see what those are. Now we are getting into Dragon Orbs as rewards. So that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.